Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Copilot on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Whether you want to just hide the button or turn it off completely, I've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. If you simply want to hide the Copilot button from your taskbar without making any changes to your system, follow these steps. First, right-click on the taskbar. When you click on it, a menu will appear. Now, from the menu, click on the taskbar settings. When you click on it, a new screen will appear. In the settings window that opens. Now, if you have Windows 10, then you will not see any option. But if you have Windows 11, then you will see Copilot in the taskbar items section. If you see that, then you will also see button near the option that will be toggle on. Now, you simply have to toggle off that option. Easy, right? But keep in mind, this won't disable Copilot completely. You can still open it using the keyboard shortcut Windows key +C, understood? Now, let's move on to how you can turn off Windows Copilot completely. The first method uses the Group Policy Editor. Note that this tool is not available on the Home editions of Windows. If you're using Windows Home, skip ahead to the section where I show you how to disable Copilot using the Registry editor. First, click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of the screen. When you click on it, now, type gpedit.msc. Once you type it, multiple results will appear. Now, from the results, click on it. When you click on it, a new small format will appear. Now, you will see multiple folders at the left side of the format. Now, from these, click on the arrow that is near the User Configuration option. When you click on the User Configuration option arrow, more folders will appear. Now, from these, you will see a folder that says Administrative Templates. Click on the arrow that is near the Administrative Templates option. When you click on arrow near to this option, multiple folder will appear. Now, from these folders, you have to find Windows Components folder. It will be second last option. Once you find it, click on the arrow near to this option. When you click on the arrow, more and more multiple options will appear. Now, you have to find Windows Copilot folder. So, scroll down until you find it. Once you find Windows Copilot folder, simply click on it. When you click on it, it will be open in front of you. Now, at the right side of the format, you will see only one option that says Turn off Windows Copilot. Simply double-click on it. When you double-click on it, a new format will appear. Now, in the configuration window that opens, now, you will see three options at the top left side. And you will see that the Not Configured option is already selected. Now, you have to select Enabled option to turn off Copilot. Once you select Enabled, now, simply click on the Apply at the bottom. And then, click on the OK. Once you've done it, now, you have to restart your computer or laptop. Once you have restarted your laptop, and once you've logged back into Windows, the Copilot button will be removed from the taskbar, and the keyboard shortcut Windows key +C will no longer open Copilot. Plus, the Show Copilot Preview option will also be removed from the taskbar settings. For those using the Home edition of Windows, or if you prefer using the Registry editor, here's how you can disable Copilot. First, again click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of the screen. When you click on the search, then type Regedit in the search bar. Once you type it, then hit the Enter button or select it from the results, and it will be open in front of you. But if you want to use keyboard shortcut, then you can also open it by click on the Windows key +R key. When you do this, a small format will appear. Now, in the format, you will see Search field. In the field, type Regedit. Once you type it, hit the Enter button or click on the OK. When you click on the OK, It will be open in front of you. Now, you will see a folder that says He Current User. Click on the arrow that is near to this option. When you click on the arrow, more folders will appear. Then from the folders that appears, you will see Software folder. Click on the arrow that is near the Software folder. When you click on the arrow, now, large number of folders will appear. Now, you have to find Policies folder. For this, you have to scroll down until you find Policies folder. Once you find Policies folder, click on the arrow that is near the Policies folder to expand the folder. When you click on it, few new folders will appear. Now, from these, expand the Microsoft folder. When you expand the Microsoft folder, then from the folders that appears, select the Windows folder, and then right-click on the Windows folder. When you right-click on it, a small menu will appear. Now, in the menu, you will see an option New. Click on it. When you click on it, one more small format will appear. Now, in the new format, you will see Key option. That will be first option. Click on it. Now, name the new key Windows Copilot. And make sure there are no spaces between the letters. Once you type it, then hit the Enter. Now, once you are in the new key, now, right-click in the white space on the right side of the format. After right-clicking, select New. And then from the menu, click on the D-word 32-bit value. Now, name the new value Turn off Windows Copilot. And then again make sure there are no spaces between the words. Once you type Turn off Windows Copilot, then hit the Enter button. Once you've done it, now, select it, and then, double-click on it to open it. When you double-click on it, a new small format will appear. Now, change its value from 0 to 1. Once you change it, then make sure that the hexadecimal is selected. Once you've done it, then click on the OK. Now, to disable Copilot system-wide, first you have to close each key that you opens or expand. Once you closed all the keys that you used, now, it's time to open up H-key local machine by clicking on the arrow near to this option. Once you expand it, then find Software key. Once you find Software, expand it by clicking on the arrow near to this option. Once you expand this key, now, multiple keys will appear. Now, scroll down, and find Policies key. Once you find Policies folder or key, click on the arrow near the Policies key to expand this. Now, after that, expand the Microsoft folder or key, and then, after that, select the Windows key, and then, right-click on the Windows key, and then from the menu, click on the New, and then New format will appear. Then from the format, click on the key option that will be first option. Now, name the new key Windows Copilot, and make sure there are no spaces between the letters. Once you type it, then hit the Enter. Now, once you are in the new key, now, right-click in the white space on the right side of the format. After right-clicking, select New, and then from the menu, click on the D-word 32-bit value. Now, name the new value Turn off Windows Copilot, and then again make sure there are no spaces between the words. Once you type Turn off Windows Copilot, then hit the Enter button. Once you've done it, now, select it, and then, double-click on it to open it. When you double-click on it, a new small format will appear. Now, change its value from 0 to 1. Once you change it, then make sure that the hexadecimal is selected. Once you've done it, then click on the OK. Now, it's time to restart your computer. After logging back in, the Copilot button will be gone from the taskbar, and the Windows key +C shortcut will no longer work. Just like with the group policy method, the Show Copilot preview option will also be removed from the taskbar settings. One last thing to mention. If you open Windows Search in the Windows 11, then you might still see the Windows Copilot icon in Windows 11. However, when you click on it, it will open Microsoft Edge and take you to the web version of Windows Copilot, not the widget in Windows. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled Windows Copilot on both Windows 10 and 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.